Hey guys, Chad here from Dirtboard TV. Today I received a package in the mail. This is from Kemimoto. Let's open it up, see what we got. That's a mirror. This is a convex mirror. This is for the Honda Talon. I believe it will fit the Pioneer or anything with a 2-inch bar diameter. A little bit of hardware. A bolt with nylock nut. Piece of rubber here for dampening. And the other clamp of the mirror. So let's get this installed on the Honda Talon and see how it works. Okay, we got Bacon here, the master mechanic. He's going to show the install of this mirror.
Alright guys, so basically on the Honda we have this bracket right in the center, and your windshield wipers right there too. So you got to offset this either one side or the other, and we decided that going to the passenger side a little bit is going to be easier. So we're going to take the rubber piece and we're going to slide that. I have a little bit of foam in between the roof and the roll bar, so we're just going to stick that rubber piece right on there like that, and then we're going to take the back bracket, and I got that nut there. I'm going to hold on to the nut with my finger. It seems like it would work just about like this. Kind of hold that up there like that. That right in there. I'm going to stick that bolt in there and take my Allen socket.
Is it a 4mm? Or?
Yeah, that's
yep.
A 4mm socket. I gotta get it started on the nut here. I think we got her there. So that's just kind of loose there like that. And that's pretty much it. You know, that kind of goes right up in there. And I really like the way it brings the mirror down, because I have a radio in here. So it brings the mirror down below the radiator, or the radio. And you can really see well out of the back. And when you're sitting in your seat, you can see clear over both directions because of the convex. It really helps out, I think, with safety. You have a wide view behind you.
And it's got that ball joint bracket in the mirror that can be adjusted, be adjusted at a wide angle.
Yep, you can go anywhere you want with this. So something like that. I still have room down here for my wiper blade. I got the old hand operated wiper blade here, so I got plenty of room for that. I really like it. That works out great. There's not much you don't have to take. If you have a windshield on the front, you don't have to take that off to get that clamp on there. You're not fishing around underneath all that stuff. Really easy install.
Well, it has that rubber strap too, so
yeah.
it won't be vibrating, making any noise.
It's not going to move around or nothing. So I like it.
Yep, it's made of high quality plastic, corrosion resistant, impact resistant.
That there is like I think this is like an aluminum bracket back here. This is plastic up here. So, and it's a really tall mirror also, so it gives you a good view up and down and all the way to each side.
And it's really going to help on the safety, because you can see people behind you.
Oh, yeah.
You know.
Yep, for sure. So even like this, I can even see the back. I can see past my head clear over into this corner when I'm sitting here like this. A lot of the mirrors, you know, they're just small, straight, flat mirrors. Works out great. I like it.
So if the mirror is ever loose and you know it's wobbling and vibrating when you're driving, there are 3 screws on the back here that you can tighten up this plate to the mirror, and that will make it harder to move the mirror so it won't vibrate around.
This one here is really, it's set perfectly though. Right out of the box, it seemed like it was set pretty good. So, I think it's good.
I have a link down below in the description for the Kemimoto mirror. So get one, check it out. Seems like it's going to work really well for us. If you like what you see here on Dirt Poor TV, please hit that like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Once we hit 1,000 subscribers, we're going to give some hats away. So stay tuned. Thanks.